let's learn alphabetic. A for apple, juicy red. B for ball, we bounce on the bed. C for cat, spewing so sweet. D is the dog for with the paw and feet. E for elephant, big and strong. F is the fish for swimming along. G for goat, musing, hey. H for head, we wear every day. I for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is the jelly, shine and bold. K for the kite, flying so high. L is the lion, very loud. For the monkey, jumping, jumping. N is the nest, is the tree. O for owl, awake in the night. P for the parrot, feathers so bright. Q is a queen, wearing her crown. R is the rabbit, hopping around. S is the sun, shining all the day. T for the tiger, stiff and grey. U is the umbrella, in the rain. V for the van, driving on the land. W for the whale, swimming in blue. X is the X-ray, yo, yo, yo. Y is the yarn, soft and neat. Z for the zebra, strip so sweet.
Amazing! 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 Amazing!